Yo, what's up everyone? It's Tarzout Tarek back again with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of AI and YouTube. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to make money online with AI videos on YouTube. Now you've probably heard all the hype around AI lately, and for good reason. It's changing the game in a lot of ways, and content creation is no exception. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start earning from your AI-generated content. We'll break down the entire process, from picking the perfect niche to optimizing your videos for maximum views and income. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative soul, or just someone looking to level up their online hustle, this video's got you covered. Alright, first things first, you gotta find your lane, your niche, what you're gonna be all about on YouTube. This is crucial because you need to make content people actually want to watch, right? Now, the beauty of AI is that it can handle a lot of different niches. But some are particularly AI-friendly and importantly profitable. Think about it. Niches like making money online, tech reviews like the ones we do here, tutorials, those are always in demand. People are always looking for ways to improve themselves or learn something new. Motivation and self-help, health tips, even storytelling like horror stories, success stories. History AI can crush it in these areas. And here's a pro tip: use free tools like Google Trends or even just YouTube search suggestions to see what people are searching for in your niche. Validate your ideas before you dive in. Okay, so you've got your niche locked in. Now it's time to bring your AI arsenal to the table. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech wizard to make this work. No fancy cameras, no complex editing software. AI's got your back. Let's start with the brainpower script writing. Tools like ChatGPT or Copy.ai are your secret weapons here. These AI powerhouses can help you generate engaging and informative scripts in minutes. Next up, we need to give your videos a voice, and I'm not talking about just any voice. Platforms like ElevenLabs or Murf.ai can create incredibly realistic AI voiceovers that will make your videos sound super professional. And then there's the video creation itself. Pictory.ai, InVideo, even Synthesia. These tools take your script and turn it into a fully fledged video, complete with visuals, transitions, the works. And don't forget about those eye-catching thumbnails. Canva or Adobe Express both have AI features to help you create graphics that pop and grab attention. Alright, so you've got amazing AI-powered videos ready to go, but now you've got to make sure people can actually find them. This is where YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, comes in. Think of it like this: YouTube's a massive library and your videos are the books. SEO is all about getting your books on the best shelves so people can find them. First up, keywords. These are the words and phrases people type into YouTube when they're looking for videos like yours. Make sure you're using relevant keywords in your video title, description, and even in the tags. Next, the thumbnail. This is the first thing people see, so it's gotta be eye-catching. Use bright colors, bold text, and make it clear what your video's about. And then there are the little things that make a big difference, like adding timestamps to your video so people can easily jump to the sections they're most interested in. Use engaging captions that keep people hooked. And don't be afraid to use tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy. These can help you with keyword research and give you insights into what's working for other creators in your niche. Now let's talk about the money, because that's what we're all here for, right? Everyone knows about the YouTube Partner Program, that sweet spot where you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and you start seeing those ad revenue checks. But here's the thing, that's not the only way, and frankly it shouldn't be your only focus. Think about it. You've got an engaged audience interested in your content. There are so many ways to monetize that. Affiliate marketing is huge. Find products or services related to your niche, sign up for their affiliate programs, and then promote those products in your videos. You earn a commission for every sale that comes through your unique link. Sponsored videos are another avenue. As your channel grows, you might get approached by brands to feature their products or services. And then there's the world beyond just YouTube ads. You can create and sell your own digital products like ebooks or courses related to your niche. You can offer exclusive content or perks to your most dedicated viewers through channel memberships. You can even use your channel to promote your own services like freelancing, consulting, you name it. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you, building a successful YouTube channel takes work, but the beauty of AI is that it can help you work smarter, not harder. The key here is consistency. You gotta be uploading regularly, giving your audience a reason to keep coming back for more. And once you've found a format that works, that's when you scale up. Batch produce your content, use your AI tools to create multiple videos at once. Think about repurposing your content. That long-form video you just made, turn it into YouTube Shorts, TikToks, Instagram Reels, maximize your reach. And don't be afraid to collaborate with other creators in your niche. Cross-promotion is a powerful tool to grow your audience. Oh, and a couple of bonus tips before I forget. You gotta hook your audience in the first 10 seconds of your video. Grab their attention right away, make them want to keep watching. Use emotional or curiosity-driven titles. Make people feel something or pique their interest so they click on your video. And always be learning. YouTube's constantly changing, so stay updated on the latest trends and don't be afraid to experiment. And that's it. We've covered a lot of ground today, but hopefully, you now have a solid understanding of how to leverage the power of AI to build a successful YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online with AI videos. Remember, the most important thing is to get started. Don't overthink it, just start creating. The more you experiment, the more you learn, the better you'll get. This is an exciting time to be a content creator, and with AI on your side, the possibilities are limitless. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips.